Hey, can I ask you a real question? Have you ever just looked around and thought to yourself, why does it seem like everybody else around me is doing better than me? Like seriously, you log on to Instagram and somebody's on vacation again. You're scrolling on TikTok and someone just paid off $60,000 in debt in just 6 months. Your coworker pulls up in a brand new car, and then a friend just closed on a home. And you're sitting there thinking to yourself, did I miss a memo? Like, is everybody else just winning and somehow I am not? I have been there, okay? And it's real and it's very painful. But I'm here to tell you the truth. What you're seeing is not always real. A lot of people are actually just faking it. A lot of people are broke behind the scenes. And what you're feeling is not just because you're not doing enough, okay? It is because you're comparing your real life with your filtered life, okay? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the 7 real reasons why it feels like everybody else has more money than you and what you can do to flip that script, okay? Mentally and financially as well. Because we are not here to fake rich. We are here to build real wealth and do it our way. Let's go. One is you're too hard on yourself. Let's start with something we don't always admit, okay? Sometimes we are our own worst critic. Have you ever felt like you are behind in life even though you're actually doing okay? Like, for example, you have a roof over your head, you're not drowning in debt, and you're even saving a little, okay? But in your minds, it is not enough. That is internal pressure, and it can make you actually feel like you're failing even when you are not, okay? I've worked with clients who have actually been convinced that they were broke until we sat down and looked at their numbers. And guess what? They were actually ahead of most people their age. And because they were not millionaires by 30, they felt like they had already failed in life. Listen, progress is equal to success. Every small financial win matters. Every payment you make, every dollar you save, every time you choose to cook at home instead of going out, that is a win. So stop holding yourself hostage to perfection. Stop judging your whole journey by somebody else's destination. Take a breath, okay? You're doing better than you think. 2 is social media is not reality. Social media is the ultimate magician. It actually makes people look richer, happier, and more successful than they actually are. But you know what social media actually doesn't show you? The $20,000 in credit card debt behind that tropical vacation people are taking. The fact that their new car comes with a 7-year loan. The quiet stress behind that curated smiles that people are having. Social media is like a movie trailer, okay? You see the best clips, they're edited perfectly, okay? But you don't see the whole messy plot behind it. And the algorithm is designed to show you the flashiest, most extreme content. You're not seeing what is normal, you're seeing what is exaggerated. So if you're scrolling and you feel really small, you are not broken, you are being manipulated. So try this instead. Unfollow accounts that actually trigger you to be insecure. Take out contents that make you question your worth. And fill your feed with people who are going to teach, uplift, and remind you of what is actually real. You are not behind, okay? You're just seeing a filtered fantasy. Number 3 is different starting points equals different journeys. One of the biggest mistakes we make is assuming that we are all in the same race. We're not, okay? Some people started the adult life with help already. Maybe their parents paid for their college, gave them a down payment for their home, helped them build credit, or actually taught them financial literacy at a young age. Others actually had to figure it out by themselves, like me. Maybe you started in survivor mode. Maybe you had to work 2 jobs to make ends meet. And that's why comparison is actually very dangerous. You're running a marathon with a backpack full of bricks, and you're comparing yourself to someone who is already on a golf cart, okay? Listen, let me be clear. That does not make you weak. It makes you actually very strong. You're learning resilience. You're building from the ground up. And while your journey might be very slow, it is also going to be more solid because you're earning every single step. So stop comparing timelines with others and start honoring your path. 4 is lifestyle creep makes people look rich. You've heard the phrase, more money equals more problems. Well, let me introduce you to lifestyle creep, aka looking rich while staying broke. When people actually start making more money, many of them want to upgrade their lifestyle. They want a bigger house, new car, designer this, designer that, luxury this, luxury that. But here's the secret. If your expenses grow every time your income grows, you're not actually richer. You're just spending your money faster. Real wealth does not actually show up on the outside. It is very quiet. It is disciplined. It looks like a used car with absolutely no payments. It looks like investing 20% of your income before spending the rest. It looks like choosing freedom over flexing. So when you see someone living large, they might actually be broke behind the scenes. And even if they're not, well, that's their life. You've got your own priorities. You've got your own life. You are not in the race to look rich. You are building wealth on purpose. 5 is you haven't learned it yet. So here's a hard truth with a hopeful twist. Sometimes it feels like everybody else has more money because they understand how money works, okay? And maybe you are still learning, but don't let that shame you at all. Let it empower you instead. Financial literacy is a skill, and every skill can be learned. You can learn this, okay? If you don't know what an ETF is, look it up. You've never made a budget before, start small. If you haven't heard about index funds or you don't know what they do, Google it. This channel and dozens of other channels exist to help you learn. You just have to be willing to learn, and remember that no one was born knowing how to invest. We all had to start somewhere, and starting today is still a win for you. 6 is the economy is working against you. Let's not sugarcoat it. The economic deck is super stacked, okay? Wages are barely rising. Inflation is making everything like eggs to rent feel like it is out of reach. College debt is massive, massive. Home ownership is getting harder than ever. So if you feel like it is harder to get ahead than it used to be, you are absolutely right. It is. But here's a mindset shift. You cannot control the economy, but you can control how you respond, okay? You can build a budget that tells your money where to go. You can save what you can, even if it's just $10 a week. Learn new skills to boost your income and actually cut expenses that do not align with your goals. Because even in a hard economy, you can actually make powerful moves. 7 is yes, some people have more and that's fine. Let's be honest, some people actually have more money than us, and that's okay, that's fine. Having more does not mean that they are actually happier. It doesn't mean they're better. It just means they have more. That's it. Simple as that. There's always going to be someone with more money and always somebody with less. That's life. That's the life we're living. But the only person we should actually be measuring against is who we were yesterday. Are you learning more, saving more, healing more? Then you are winning, okay? So if you're actually walking around feeling like you're falling behind, breathe, take a breath. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are just processing. You're in process, and processes are powerful. Let people fake rich. Let them chase the image. You are out here building real wealth on your terms, at your pace, with integrity and intention, okay? So here is your next move. Like this video if it encouraged you. Share it with a friend who needs to hear this message. And subscribe to the channel so we can grow together. And before you go, make sure to check out my other videos where I'm talking about financial literacy and all things money related. And always remember that some folks will keep you broke if you let them. Let's build, let's grow, and I'll see you in the next one. You got this.